So for steaming, there's like a lot of different methods, but we're always aiming to get a small amount of bubbles called microfoam. It's just when the milk is incredibly integrated and you only add a little bit of air at a time, and then you just integrate it for the rest of the pour. So every latte starts with like a base like this. The seahorse, we start with a couple layers off to the side. And then we're going to do the tail. And then the head. And then some little bubbles. You got a seahorse.